Okay, this is the WORX. It says, "It's your nature." Pretty cool. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Alright, there's a quick directions there. Quick start guide, leaf mulcher. Okay, so here's our quick start directions. Looks like we just put it together. Basically, it's a weed eater in here, and it's got some weed eater twine. And it came with some extra pieces here, so it looks like it's relatively simple and easy to change. Just loop it through here. And then it came with a couple extra feet. All right, let's plug it in. It looks like it has a nice little cord holder here so you don't pull your extension cord loose while you're moving the mulcher around. Okay, it looks like the power button is right down here. I have this tub of leaves. We'll go ahead and put it in the WORX and see if it mulches them down. Okay, well, how did it do? Not too bad. I mean, if nothing else, I got everything that was in that bucket into this one bag down here, so that's not too bad.